power that's doing this. This is what originally built America. This is the way logging used to be done in America. You see that steam engine right there? It's running this belt that's running that sawmill. This is the way life used to be. See that belt right there? This is the way America used to operate with the old steam power. This is before electricity. So. Look at that pile of kerf over there.
Yeah, they use the kerf wood for cooking.
Apparently they use the kerf wood for cooking. Kerf is that sawdust that you see that where the saw goes into the wood. Isn't this cool? Yes, it is.